Hello, wonderful garden enthusiast. Welcome back to Garden Profiler, your go to destination for all things green and beautiful. I'm thrilled to have you here as we embark on a new gardening season in 2024. I'm here to be your gardening companion, your source of inspiration as we transform our outdoor spaces into havens of joy and tranquility. This year, let's make our gardens not just a collection of plants, but a sanctuary we can truly love and find comfort in. And on that note, let's delve into the wonderful world of grasses. Before we dive any deeper into the beautiful world of grasses, a quick word of caution. While the grasses can be incredibly beautiful, it's essential to choose the right variety for your space. Some grass species have a vigorous growth habit and can potentially dominate your garden if not managed well. So, when selecting grasses, consider factors like the size, the growth rate, and the maintenance requirements. Balance is key. Balance is key to thriving gardens. Mixing grasses with other plants can create a harmonious landscape. Remember, thoughtful planning ensures that your garden remains a delightful retreat rather than becoming overrun. Do your research or consult your local gardening experts to find grass varieties that suit your vision and maintenance preferences. This way, you can enjoy the beauty of the grass without any unexpected garden takeovers. Now, let's get started. Grasses are more than just a carpet beneath our feet. We're exploring its enchanting movement in the breeze, its benefits for wildlife, and its magical properties in water filtration. Have you ever stood in a field of grass and witnessed the mesmerizing dance of nature? Today we're celebrating the beauty of grass as it sways with the wind, creating a symphony of movement that transforms your garden into a living, breathing masterpiece. This rhythmic dance not only adds visual appeal, but also brings a sense of tranquility to your outdoor space. It's a reminder of the harmony between nature and our garden. This year, consider what spot in your garden that could do with a tall, swaying, mesmerizing grass. Grass and wildlife. Now let's take a moment and talk about the incredible benefits that the blades of grass bring to wildlife. They provide a safe haven for various critters. Birds, insects, and small mammals find refuge in the shelter it provides, creating a vibrant ecosystem right in your own backyard. By incorporating grasses into your garden, you're inviting nature's orchestra to perform right outside your window. It's not just landscaping, it's cohabitating with the wonderful world around us. So consider inviting other birds, critters, frogs, and small mammals into your garden this year by planting some tall and short grasses. Grasses as a water filter. Did you know that grasses play a critical role in purifying water? Its intricate root system acts as a natural filter, capturing pollutants and preventing soil erosion. This makes grass an eco-friendly choice for areas with water runoff like rain gardens. Whether you have a pond, a stream, or rain garden, the magical properties of grass help maintain water quality, creating a healthier environment for all living beings. So consider planting some grasses around your pond area. Speaking of ponds, let's explore the enchanting benefits of surrounding your water features with grasses. Not only does it add a touch of elegance, but it also helps maintain the ecological balance of your aquatic haven. The gentle embrace of grass along the water's edge creates a seamless transition between land and water, providing a habitat for aquatic life and enhancing the overall aesthetics of your garden oasis. Dear friends, we can't be speaking about beautiful grasses and not mention the benefits of having a lawn. Not only does the beautiful lawn add visual appeal, but it also brings a myriad of benefits to your garden. Let's explore the wonders of having a healthy lawn and the secrets to proper mowing techniques. Benefits of lush lawn. A lush lawn is more than just a carpet beneath our feet. It's the living, breathing part of our garden that offers numerous benefits. First and foremost, it's a soft, inviting space for relaxation, play, and even picnics with loved ones. But the benefits don't end there. A well-maintained lawn helps prevent soil erosion, promotes water filtration, and contributes to a cooler microclimate around your home. It's like nature's air condition right at your backyard. Now let's talk about the key to a thriving lawn, which includes proper mowing techniques. It's not just about cutting grass. It's about fostering healthy growth and resilience. A few tips when it comes to cutting your grass. Make sure that your mower is set to the right height. Adjust your mower to the recommended height for your grass type, because cutting too short can stress the grass and make it more susceptible to pests and diseases. Tip number 2. Follow the 1/3 rule. This rule suggests that you never remove more than 1/3 of the grass blade length in a single mowing session. This encourages a stronger root system and helps maintain a lush appearance. Tip number 3. Keep blades sharp. Dull mower blades tear the grass rather than cutting it cleanly. Sharpen your mower blades regularly to ensure a neat, healthy cut. And there you have it, folks. The fundamentals of maintaining a healthy lawn through proper mowing techniques. A little care goes a long way in creating a garden paradise right outside your door. I hope this short video has inspired you to consider planting some grasses in your garden this year. So let's continue inspiring each other as we cultivate the gardens that reflect our passions and our personality. I can't wait to share tips, tricks, and the sheer joy of watching our gardens flourish. Thank you for being part of this community. Get ready to bloom with us in 2024. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the love. Happy gardening, everyone, and I will see you in the next video.